Alright guys, welcome back. Just moved into the new house. Got a new garage going on here. Good sized garage. It's a big 2-car. As you can see, we got some nice shelving over here. Got the spare ZR2 wheel and the Dana Spicer axle cooler I got through a partnership with them. Some more shelving, and the fun part in the corner here, we are wired for 220, so it's a future welder and air compressor right there. We are also heavily insulated and heated, as you can see here, and I am filming this video with my point and shoot because I think it does a better job than the iPhone. Guess you guys can let me know. I don't have too many videos, but main purpose here is to show you guys the new hitch mount tire holder. Got the spare Falcon 35-inch MT-01 and the 1552 Turbo Mac HD. These are just gorgeous wheels in person. I can't say too much about them off-road because honestly I haven't done much this winter, but they worked the one time I went. Anyways, pretty simple design, just a bunch of stuff I ordered off Amazon here. Kind of a universal mount there, and did a bunch of welding on it to solidify things. But yeah, I got the hitch silencer there, and it's a pretty simple idea here. I'm gonna set the camera down. I don't know if you guys can see, but you pull the pin out here, set it there, then the whole thing comes down. I got some rubber here and then some rubber in the bottom here, so there's it's quite insulated. I got a little bit of welding in here, some washers to keep the side to side movement down, but yeah, can definitely really open the tailgate no problem. It freed up a ton of bed space. People don't realize how much bed space 35-inch tire takes up, but still got the high lift in there. I thought about mounting it to this fold down carrier as well, but haven't gotten there yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's I think it's actually a wheelchair holder off Amazon, but it's working pretty well. It's obviously all extremely heavy duty. It's rated to 500 pounds, so you can use this as a step into the bed with the tailgate down. Try and get back here so you guys can see. Definitely helps that. You can use it as a seat, a table, whatever your heart desires. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do with the license plate, because once this is in the air, it's kind of blocked. So really not sure what I'm going to do about it. But it's pretty simple. It is heavy. The tire I think is 80 pounds and the wheel I'm sure is 20 to 30 pounds. But yeah, just a nice simple setup. Yeah, other than that, really haven't done a whole lot since the last video. I don't remember if I had, that's Ella. Everyone say hi to Ella. I've don't remember if I had pod lights in the last video. Definitely gonna upgrade those. Those are just from Amazon. They have a amber cover. It's more of a yellow cover, but they work well. Not terrible. The CBI ditch mount brackets on those. Yeah, the truck's doing really well. Part that I enjoy the most is gears. I have this is my 450 mile average. If we get a 50, it's almost at 17. Really depends on what conditions I've been driving in, but yeah, 410 gears, and new axles front and rear from Dana Spicer Axle Company. Everything's OEM, but they used my truck for a couple weeks. Well, I guess it was a week. Yeah, the deal was instead of payment, I got full new axles ready to go and be slapped in the truck, along with 410 gears in those axles installed by Dana themselves. For those of you who do not know, Dana Spicer makes the 410 gears for the OEM V6 or 4-cylinder Colorados, I should say, and they've been really good. That mileage you saw, that 15 to 17, was 100% about 50-50 city and rural driving, really hilly rural driving, and it's doing quite well. That's with winter fuel, cold weather, so all the fluids are cold. People don't realize that it takes a big toll on your mileage, but yeah, the truck's doing awesome. No complaints. The tires are holding up well. I'd say they're not as good as I thought they'd hold up, but can't complain about free tires, I guess. We're still about a third tread at I got about 17 or 18,000 on them, which it's a mud tire. I didn't really expect a ton of life out of a mud tire, but yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that tire carrier. Pretty simple design. I think all in all, maybe 250 bucks total. If you have your own welder. If you don't have your own welder, you're gonna probably be paying somebody, unless you got some good friends. But get a shot from the back here. I think it looks pretty good on there. Got it up out of the way for departure angle. And it's still obviously not the greatest, because it does come out of the hitch about 4 or 5 inches before it goes up. But that's why I got that hitch riser, is to make it a little bit better for what it is. So yeah, that's the update on the truck. We are going to Drummond Island to do get some time on the rocks here. I think we got 12 trucks confirmed going, and another 30 that are interested in the event. So hopefully that'll be a good time. Till next time, guys.